Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can switch templates on Squarespace. So if you're on your project, just go to styles here, and on the right side there's going to be some site styles that you can change the template of. So select the color themes here, you can change it one by one. You can go to the fonts and then you can change that, and you can change the forms. You can also go to themes here and select the themes you want for your website. Oh, this one's really cute. So just select it and save it, and that is it for this video. This is how you can change templates on Squarespace. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.